som ska till Lentävänniemi.
And today it's the 30th of September 2021, the last day of September this year. The light is working here, but it looks like it's an LED.
Yeah.
You guys see it's 4 person 320 grams. It's Männistönkuja 3 staircase F here in Lentävänniemi, one of the suburbs of Tampere, Finland, to which one the Tampere light rail line is being extended to by 2024, but first to Santalahti in 2023. If you look at the glass here, it's like this type of, with these squares, same as it is staircase, and I think one theory why they have some elevators why they have this is because some residents here or tenants before wanted some more privacy.
Yeah.
And the serial number is H25102. It was built in 1971 as well, turning 50 years old this year in 2021. Will be inspected in 2023. And it was here. Because it is quite often that in some buildings that they have normal glass, but some of them might even have this.
Yeah.
And this is maybe because of a request of a tenant or several tenants.
Yeah.
Just for the privacy. So that not everyone can see who is riding them.
Yeah.
But I still think it's quite a weird reason.
Yeah.
But of course it gives some more variation to elevators.
Yeah.
If you have seen it, visited, but you can watch the staircase, see where there's the glitch from the first or the ground floor. When you send it up like a half meter, then it will come back down when you press the button, but it's on the floor. That's a very rare glitch.
Yeah.
But I've seen it on some 1960s Kone elevators like this.
Same.
So I'm trying. Also one floor higher than the stakes
Yeah.
A, B, C, D, and E.
Yes, tippaakin miten on. That's